Well, the devil's in the details, so let's let Eddie tell us all about the details here. This is part maybe 5 or 6 on Joe's car. So I just said the devil's in the details, so you got to tell us about the details here.
Oh,
Because you're getting pretty detailed. Where are we going here?
oh, this is the
Backup camera?
the backup camera.
Good guess, huh?
Lead all the way back. It's just 31 foot long.
Oh, well, good. How about the front one?
I think we got plenty.
Did you tell me you had a front one too you have to have?
Yeah, this front one is only.
Oh, short one?
Yeah, it's a short one. I'm gonna try to mount it. Probably the only place we're gonna be able to put it is like right here
Okay.
in the center.
So
And by the time you come out of this,
So here's our overhead console. You want to show this for us?
yeah, okay. Now this is for your overdrive. When it's in, it's green, and when it's out, it's red.
Okay.
And
The
of course,
wiper
windshield
switch.
wipers. I've got it set up where he'll actually go back to park when you go there,
Okay.
and then
There's the
this
backup camera.
is like a phone that has to be charged. So I rigged this up with one of these, and you can unplug it and charge your phone if you need to.
Okay.
And but it really don't need to be charged or hooked up all the time. So that's why I made it where you could get it off the charger.
Can you show us how that goes up there? It ain't that complicated, is it?
No,
So there's these slots up there into the roof.
yeah, I built all those.
You got these things on the back here,
Yeah.
little notch things.
And
There you go.
See, I've got
Just kinda
the
slide
tabs
in.
there, and it goes up and slides forward,
Oh, that looks pretty good.
and then you screw it up here in the front. If you need to get into it, you just unscrew it and slide it back out.
You got all your wires down there.
Yep, and these are for the indicators for your overdrive. This is the windshield wipers. This for the charger, and this goes to the camera.
All right. So you're getting kind of to the end here.
Yeah, I'm hitting.
Think we'll blow it off and wipe it off and put the cover on it? Joe will be glad to hear that one.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what. The next step, I can probably in the morning. I was thinking about hanging the headliner and getting all this hung up in here.
Oh, well, that'd be good. I was going to ask the headliner.
Yeah.
So the headliner glues up in here.
Yeah.
That would be something to see.
Yeah.
I like that. I like
And,
that idea.
That way that'd be done.
Yeah, then you can button that up and it'd be
Button
done.
that up and it'd be done.
All right. So we got.
Yeah. See,
So here's what we got. Here's next. By the way, did you know what's next? Did you see these? I put these in here for you. We got Robin. So what do I got? I got a bunch.
Oh,
We got a bunch of turnkeys coming to the
Robin
point.
Shepard, yeah.
Coming to the point of we actually have lists on the wall. And you can kind of see over there the wall.
If you can read my writing.
Well, but when you build a car, you don't need a list at the beginning. There's so much to do. You just start doing stuff.
Yeah.
But then you get to the end. So we got. I'm gonna throw out some names here.
Yeah.
This is a bunch of people should get excited.
Yeah, then it's down to the little stuff that you got to
This-
make a list of.
Yeah, this is just the little stuff here. So we got Bill, and we got Kurt, and we got Joe, and we got Jim, and we got Robin, of course.
Yeah.
So what I need you to do, help me do on here, since we're down to kind of little stuff, I want to make sure we get everything
Right.
here. So if we can make lists on there of what I need to get here, what we don't have, what we do have, where we need to go.
Right.
This is kind of an exciting time for me. We haven't done this yet. I've been back for what, over a year?
Yeah.
We haven't actually got down to real paperwork.
Uh-uh.
There's just been so much to do. You don't need to think about it. Oh, just do that, do that, do that, do the biggest thing to do.
Right.
So these 5 turnkeys, this being one of them. There's Bill's car over there. There's Robin's car.
Yeah.
I didn't put Mike on there, but I'm working on his.
Yeah.
So we're down to getting kind of the final touches. All the windshields made. We need to get AC units. We need to get
Yeah.
everything we need for these cars. Everything we can think of.
Right.
And
You'll need
then-
AC unit, and then I get
Put the vents in, then I can put the windshield in.
yeah. Then I get to start wiring all this up for the
What are we going to do to
for the
tie
little
up
bitty
those?
carburetor.
Yeah, this is a big carburetor.
It's off of Briggs and Stratton. Man.
Yeah, man, that is a big carburetor. These all got to go into the car, right?
Yep. So that's why I'm going to get the air conditioner in there and try to figure out where I can feed them in there where it looks good,
Mhm.
instead of just being way up here somewhere. Trying to hide them if I can.
Yeah, I think where we're at on this one. Once you
Cold
get
up here.
once you get that headliner, we'll go ahead and wipe it down again and put that cover back on it.
Yeah.
And
Off to something else for a little bit.
off to Bill, finish up Bill, I think. That's pretty close.
Right.
We got Daryl working on Robin's car,
Yeah.
working on them fenders and things like that. I got him working on Jim. Uh-oh, we got noise. You know what happens when the compressor comes on? It means you need to go back to work.
Oh, okay.
So, anyway, there's the update on Joe, plus we gave a sort of an update on Jim, Bill,
Yeah.
Robin.
Yeah.
Who else did we
Got
miss?
4 of them. Yeah.
There was one other one. Jim, Bill, Robin, Kurt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look. There was one more.
Oh, the one up there, the black one.
Oh, Jim, yeah.
Yeah,
The black one, Jim. So there's 5. There's 5 that we're coming close on. I'll try to do videos like this as we're doing them.
Right.
And when we start on, we'll start on Bill. Next time we do Bill, we'll call it part 1.
Right.
How many parts can you get Bill done in? 3? It's pretty close. That's
yeah,
almost a
it's pretty
2-parter.
Well, I've got the list over there. We get all that. It'll be downhill from there.
It'd be downhill, huh?
Yeah.
It's all downhill. Not like going to school in up north. Uphill both ways in the
Right.
snow. Yeah,
There you
it was bad growing up north.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it for today. Good words of wisdom. You got any country words of wisdom?
I can't think of any right now.
Man, that's unusual.
It's hot. That's all I can
It's
think
hot.
of.
It's hot.